Google just quietly rolled out one of the biggest updates I've seen from them all year, and almost nobody is talking about it the right way. We're not talking about a new chatbot feature or a minor tweak to a settings menu. We're talking about building fully working, deployable apps from a plain English sentence with no code and no technical background needed at all. Native Android apps, built straight from your browser, tools that plug directly into your Gmail, your Drive, your Google Sheets, and you can do all of it from your phone if you want to. This came out of Google I/O 2026, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what changed, what it actually means for you in practice, and the things you can go try in the next few minutes. I am the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Now, if you've never touched Google AI Studio before, here's the 30-second version, because a lot of people still haven't used it, and that's honestly a mistake. It's at astudio.google.com, it's free to start, and you don't need a credit card to get in. This is Google's direct access platform for their Gemini models, the same models running underneath Google Search and Google Workspace right now. And here's the part most people miss. Almost every AI tool you've used lets you talk to an AI. This one lets you build with one. That's a completely different category of tool. You could already test prompts, generate images and video, even run live voice conversations with it before this update. But now, after this update, you can describe an app out loud in plain English and it builds it for you. That's the gap this tool just closed, and it's a big one. So here's the headline change. Anything you build inside AI Studio can now reach directly into your Google Workspace, Gmail, Drive, and Sheets are all fair game from inside whatever you create. Think about what that actually opens up for you. You could say you want a dashboard pulling live numbers straight from a Google Sheet. You could ask for something that automatically sorts and organizes files in your Drive based on rules you set yourself. You could build a tool that scans your Gmail inbox and pulls out exactly the information you're looking for without you having to dig through it manually. You just describe what you want, and it builds it fully wired into the tools you're already using every single day. Before this update, connecting something to your workspace meant API keys, authentication setup, and a whole technical pipeline most people would never even attempt on their own. Now, it's a sentence. The barrier that used to stop normal people from building this kind of thing has basically disappeared overnight. The second update is the one that actually stopped me when I read it. You can now build native Android apps right inside the Build tab, and this one is wild when you actually break it down. You describe your idea in plain English, and Google AI Studio writes production-grade Kotlin code using Jetpack Compose, which is the current standard for modern Android development. There's a full Android emulator sitting right there inside your browser, so you can see exactly how the app looks and behaves before you ever touch a real device. You can also plug in a physical phone and install the app directly onto it. And once you're happy with how it works, you can publish straight to Google Play's internal test track in one click, as long as you've got a developer account connected. I want you to actually sit with that for a second because it matters. Building a real working Android app used to mean owning a powerful computer, having genuine development knowledge, and putting in weeks of work just to get something half functioning. Now it's a description, a live preview, and a deploy button. That's not a small step forward. That's a completely different starting point for anyone who wants to build something. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. On top of that, Google launched a dedicated mobile app for AI Studio, and you can pre-register for it right now at AI Studio Mobile. Which means soon you'll be able to build from your phone, tweak your code while you're out and about, preview your apps in real time, remix things from a public gallery of other people's builds, and send the live links out to gather feedback, all without ever opening a laptop. That's a real shift in who gets to actually use a tool like this, and when they get to use it, you're no longer tied to a desk to build something real. A handful of other things came bundled into this update that are worth knowing about. The Build tab now runs on Gemini 2.5 Pro, which means better output across the board. You can keep chatting with it after the first build to refine and adjust things, compare different versions side by side, and roll back to an earlier checkpoint if something breaks along the way. Deployment to Google Cloud Run is built in and just one click. There's a new experimental URL context tool that lets the model actually read and pull information from links you give it while you're building, which is genuinely useful if your app needs outside. Research baked into it. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is now natively supported inside the Gen AI SDK, which means it can plug into a much wider range of outside tools and services than it could before. And Gemini 2.5 Flash Native Audio just hit preview inside the Live API, supporting over 30 different voices, and it can actually tell the difference between the person it's talking to and background conversations happening nearby. If you're building anything voice-based, that's a genuinely massive deal, because that's the kind of detail that makes a voice agent feel real instead of robotic. And if you're worried about cost before you even start, your first two deployments to Google Cloud are completely free, no card required. Now, I don't want to just throw a feature list at you and walk away, so let me give you 3 specific things you can go build inside the tool right now, today. First, a customer lifetime value calculator. Ask it for a single page with inputs for average purchase value, purchase frequency per year, customer lifespan in years, and gross margin percentage. That's it. Plain English in, working tool out, ready to deploy and share within minutes. Second, a profit margin calculator. Inputs for revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and tax rates. Same exact process, same kind of output. Third, a Facebook ads ROAS calculator, ROAS meaning a return on ad spend. Inputs for daily ad budget, campaign length, expected CPM, and estimated conversion value. 3 completely different tools, same simple workflow, all built from nothing but a sentence. I'm giving you these specific examples on purpose. They're practical, they're things you could genuinely use today in your own business, and they show you exactly what this tool is capable of when you give it a clear, specific brief instead of a vague one. And that's really the skill here that separates people who get good results from people who don't. Don't just type build me a calculator and hope for the best. Tell it exactly what inputs you need, what the tool is for, and how you want the layout structured. That's the difference between getting something genuinely usable on your first try and going back and forth 10 times trying to fix what you should have just specified up front. So here's where this leaves us. Google AI Studio just turned into a genuinely serious tool for building real, working things without needing to know how to code, and this update is the biggest leap it's taken so far. Workspace integration, native Android app building, a full mobile build experience, Gemini 2.5 Pro running the entire build tab, and free deployment to get started. None of that is a small tweak you can brush past. That's a platform getting dramatically easier to use and dramatically more capable at the exact same time. If you haven't opened AI Studio in a while, or you've only ever used it as a basic chat interface, go to astudio.google.com and actually spend real time inside the build tab. The gap between people who know how to use tools like this and people who don't is only getting wider every single week, and this update just made it a whole lot easier for you to land on the right side of that gap. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.